Hello everyone and welcome to the next lecture. To understand the concept of moments, we will take some more problems on moments. Here the first problem is find moment generating function of random variable x is equal to 1 by 2, probability is 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, probability is again 1 by 2. Also find first 4 moments about origin. About origin means mu1 dash, mu2 dash, mu3 dash and mu4 dash, that we have to find. Now to solve this problem, again we use our whiteboard. Here x and f of x is given. F of x means probability and values of x. There are two values of x, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, and probability is also 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. So we have to find moment generating function. Discrete values are there. So moment means what? Moment generating function I required. Yes, m of t. We use the notation m of t for this is equal to e of e raised to tx, isn't it? So use that formula here, summation of x into e raised to tx into f of x. So here two values are there, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Just keep in your mind and put these values here. So I am writing that term. Moment generating function m of t is equal to, yes, first value it is 1 by 2. So e raised to x into this 1 by 2, sorry, t into m of t is equal to e raised to t into value of x is 1 by 2 into f of x is again 1 by 2 plus e raised to t into second value is minus 1 by 2 and again probability is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 common, I get answer e raised to t by 2 plus e raised to minus t by 2, or simply you can write this term as cos h t by 2, hyperbolic cos h t by 2, or you may write this one 1 by 2 e raised to t by 2 plus e raised to minus t by 2. Now from this moment generating function we can find first 4 moments about origin, means mu1 dash, mu2 dash, just taking the derivatives of this. Now mu1 dash is equal to first derivative of d by m of t, d by dt of m of t, correct. So is equal to d by dt of our m of t, it is 1 by 2 e raised to t by 2 plus e raised to minus t by 2, and at t equal to 0 we are going to find it. So first find derivative, 1 by 2, then e raised to t by 2 into 1 by 2 minus e raised to minus t by 2 into 1 by 2. If I put t equal to 0 here, I get, yes, put t equal to 0, 1 by 2 by outside, here minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, I get 0. So first value is 0, mu1 dash is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, it becomes 0, correct. Now whatever mu1 dash you get, again differentiate it with respect to t. So you will get mu2 dash is equal to 1 by 2. What is derivative of e raised to t by 2? It is, which function you get there? Have you remember that? Derivative of mu1 dash you get 1 by 2 in bracket 1 by 2 e raised to t by 2 minus 1 by 2 e raised to minus t by 2. This term you got in the first derivative. Again differentiate it with respect to t, you will get mu2 dash is equal to 1 by 2. This 1 by 2 you can take outside and it becomes 1 by 4. Now e raised to t by 2 into again 1 by 2, minus minus it become plus e raised to minus t by 2 into 1 by 2, minus minus I make it plus. Now put t equal to 0. If I put t equal to 0, this is 1, this term is also 1, e to the power 0 it is 1. What remain? 1 by 2 and 1 by 2, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 it is 1. So our answer is 1 by 4 into 1, that is 1 by 4. Understood? Again now remember this function because we are going to differentiate it. याला आपल्याला परत डिफरन्शिएट करायचं आहे. हा 1/2 बाहेर घ्या, काय होईल 1/8 आणि याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह आपण घेऊया. सो म्यू 3 डॅश इज इक्वल टू 1/8 इन ब्रॅकेट ई रेस टू टी बाय 2 इंटू परत 1/2 again 1/2, right? There you get minus plus sign. Now here e raised to minus t by 2. What is derivative of e raised to minus t by 2? Minus e raised to minus t by 2 into 1/2. So again if I put t equal to 0, this is 1, this is also 1 if I put t equal to 0, but 1/2 minus 1/2 it becomes 0. So mu 3 dash is equal to 0. Now to find mu 4 dash, differentiate this term with respect to t again. So 1/2 into this 1/2 take outside, 1/8 is already there, 1/2 take outside, it becomes 1/16, and now here minus minus it become plus, that we have to write only. So mu 4 dash is equal to 1/16 in bracket e raised to t by 2 into this 1/2 plus e raised to minus t by 2 into this 1/2. So what is my answer here? If I put t equal to 0, what is my answer? Yes, 1/16 into this 1/2 plus 1/2, it is 1. So 1/16 is the answer. Now the next question, it may ask to you, find first central moments. Here moment about origin they ask, instead of that they may ask the question related to our moments about mean. So in our next part we will take that moments about mean, how to find it, right? But before that, let us solve some problems on continuous random variable. These are the discrete random variables. Now let us solve some problems on continuous random variables. Okay, let us start. A random variable x has a density function given by f of x is equal to 2 e raised to minus 2x, x greater than or equal to 0, and it is 0, x less than 0. Find moment generating function, and second, the first 4 moments about origin. Moment generating function and first 4 moments about origin. Just concentrate on f of x. F of x is equal to 2 e raised to minus 2x, x greater than or equal to 0, and it is 0 if x, when x is less than 0. So this is our function 2 e raised to minus 2x, 0 to infinity. Okay. So here continuous random variable is there, and for continuous random variables we use integration. So here the first part, m of t is equal to, instead of summation now integration minus infinity to plus infinity, but my function is present from only 0 to infinity, so we write 0 to infinity. What is that function? Just concentrate on that, this one, integral 0 to infinity, yes, 2 into e raised to minus 2x, this is the function, and we take e raised to tx dx. E raised to tx, this extra term we take because e of e raised to tx we find now. So here e raised, again we turn towards whiteboard, or you may understood here. Let's try to understand here, then if you don't, then I will turn towards the whiteboard. Okay, let us turn towards the whiteboard and try. Here m of t is equal to integral 0 to infinity, yes, first term is our e raised to tx, into f of x. What is our f of x given? 2 into e raised to minus 2x dx. Now 2 is constant, integral 0 to infinity, e raised to tx and e raised to minus 2x. What I get? E raised to t minus 2 into x dx. But my limit is infinity here, so I required minus sign, e to the power minus sign. So what I do, 2 into integral 0 to infinity, इथे बघा आपण काय करतो, मायनस साइन कॉमन काढतोय, e raised to minus 2 minus t into x dx. A simple adjustment we did. We take minus sign common, 2 minus t into x dx. And we know that what is the integration of e raised to x, ax, e raised to ax upon a. So do that. M of t is equal to 2 into e raised to minus 2 minus t into x upon minus of 2 minus t, limit is 0 to infinity. Now if I put infinity, it becomes 0 because e raised to minus there. So 2 into infinity साठी 0 टाकून द्या, and for 0 it is 1. If I put x equal to 0, I get 1. So here minus of 1 upon minus 2 minus t. So what is our answer? 2 upon 2 minus t, because minus minus become plus. So this is our m of t. It is much more easier, but it exists if t is less than 2. If t is greater than 2, then it becomes negative, and we don't require moments, moment generating function to be negative. It should be convergent. So for that 2 upon 2 minus t. Okay, no problem. If you understand the condition on t, it's well and good. If you don't, we don't have to panic. Just keep in your mind t is less than 2, right? Now find mu1 dash, mu2 dash, mu3 dash and mu4 dash. For that, take the derivative of this term. 4 derivatives. पहिला दूसरा सा derivative घेत चालू आहे. What is derivative? 1 upon t minus 1 upon t square. So see here minus 2 upon 2 minus t bracket square. Like that. Just use the concept. Mu1 dash is equal to derivative minus 2 upon 2 minus t its square, and at t equal to 0 we have to find it. Put t equal to 0 here. What I get? Minus 2 upon 2 square. Minus 2 upon 2 square, that is 4, means first answer is minus 1 by 2. Oh, something is wrong here. Yes. What is derivative of minus t? Derivative of minus t is minus 1. So minus minus it become plus. 1 by 2 is the answer. इथे बघा नीट. Minus t. Derivative of minus t is minus 1. Now this function I get 2 upon 2 minus t its square, minus minus plus. I am writing that function 2 upon 2 minus t its square. This I get. So I need a derivative of 1 upon x square. What is derivative of 1 upon x square? It is minus 2 upon x cube. एक पावर वरती वाढवायची, हा वरती लिहून मायनस साइन द्यायचा, राईट. दॅट मायनस and again minus t चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह परत एक मायनस येईल. सो इट बिकम 2 upon 2 minus t cube. टेक दॅट. mu2 dash is equal to पहिला 2 as it is into 2 upon 2 minus t its cube at point t equal to 0, right. 2 into 2 4, t equal to 0 put केला, 2 cube it is 8. So your answer is 1 by 2 again. Understood? Now let us find mu3. For mu3, what is the function here? 4 upon, yes, 4 upon 2 minus t its cube. परत हा 3 वरती घ्या, याचा 1 ने पावर वाढवा, मायनस मायनस प्लस करून टाका. काय होईल? 4 into 3 12. Can I write that? mu3 dash is equal to 4 into, yes, what you have got there? 3 upon, yes, 2 minus t raised to 4 at t equal to 0. तुम्ही जो डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढलाय त्याचा परत डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढा. सिंपल. सो इट इज 12 अपॉन 2 मायनस टी रेस टू 4 ॲट टी इक्वल टू 0. परत याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घ्यायचा आहे, टी इक्वल टू 0. इफ आय पुट टी इक्वल टू 0, व्हॉट आय गेट हिअर? 12 अपॉन 2 raised to 4. 2 raised to 4 means 16. So 12 upon 16. 12 upon 16 means what? 3 by, yes, 3 by 4. So my mu3 is 3 by 4 is the answer. You write it properly. Now for mu4, हा 4 परत वरती घ्यायचा, 48 and 2 minus t raised to 5. So here mu4 dash is equal to 48 upon 2 minus t raised to 5 and put t equal to 0. So what is my answer? 48 upon 32. 2 raised to 5, it is 32. So here 3 by 2. Understood? You can do the calculation on calc also, no problem. Take one more problem. Here the question is, find moment generating function. Find moment generating function f of x is equal to 4x upon 3, 0 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 2, and it is 0 otherwise. 4x upon 3, 0 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 2, and 0 otherwise. So this is our function, and we have to find moment generating function and first 4 moments about origin. Then in the next part we are going to start first 4 moments. From the first 4 moments, how to find moments about mean also. So here first just find moment about moment generating function. This is the question here. So m of t is equal to integral 0 to 2 4x upon 3 e raised to tx dx is equal to 4 by 3. See here, 0 to 2 u into v rule wapra. 4 by 3 is constant, u into v rule, are you able to use it? 4 by 3 is constant, u into v rule, x as it is. What is integration of e raised to tx? It is e raised to tx upon t minus derivative of x is 1. What is integration of e raised to tx upon t? E raised to tx upon t square, and limit is 0 to 2. Take upper limit minus lower limit, and you just simplify it. So you will get 4 by 3, yes, 2 into e raised to 2t upon t minus e raised to 2t upon t square minus lower limit. If I put here 0 minus minus plus 1 upon t square. So this is our answer. In this way we will get the answer. Now we will see the relation between moments about origin and moments about mean. Already we know the relation, but how to solve and how to find the answer, that we will see in our next lecture. Thanks for the watch.